Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks. I just made a video on this, putting bricks around an arch. And I noticed something, it was from another gentleman's drawing. If we fill these in with blue, like we did in the previous video, and then we select these and move them out of the way, there's no separation or not enough separation between the bricks. Because these are lines. They're not, if you look, that is a line. So what we need to do is take that line. We only need to do it to do the rings in the line. Go to Effects, go to Object, convert the outline to an object. We just need to do these two. And then we need to do the rings. And you could have, if you would have made them all the same, if you would have started out with objects or outlines to object, you wouldn't have to do this. But I'm going to show you the difference. And if I was going to have to do a lot of this, I'd make a hotkey. There is a hotkey, but it's a three key hotkey. So it wouldn't really save too much time. So I'm just converting all the lines to an outline, outline to an object. Now look what happens when we fill in the blue. Now we have separation if you look at our bricks. So if we do that like we did in the other video, Control G to group these, and then because this isn't probably a group, I'm going to move my blue out of the way and then move this, just delete it. I would keep it if I was doing this for myself in case I mess up. And then Control D and make a duplicate. So we're going exactly what we did in part one, and just Control D all the way around. Went one too far. But now you have separation in your brick where the mortar would go. Pretty slick, but you've got to, same thing in here. Let's make this I need to open up another box or another drawing because I'm using somebody else's file, this millimeter. Tell you what, let's just do an example real quick. This one I'm going to convert to an object. Look at the difference. I'm going to fill that in. It goes halfway to the box. It only goes one way to the box. So that's our separation. Now there is a way to draw the box, but when you're doing a bunch of lines, it's easier just to convert them to an outline or an outline to an object. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.